little, huh? What? Sorry, you can't eat with your foot.
She's so primal.
Mm-hmm. Monkey toes.
Hey.
I want to see her grab a cracker with it.
So do I. That would be really fun.
Look at that grin. She says that would be funny.
She says, just kidding.
She just wants someone to feed her grapes now. All lounging in her chair.
Yeah, feed her grapes.
Well, let me put it in your bowl. What did you do to me, Mama? Well, there it is. That was clever.
Monkey toes. Oh, there it goes.
Dropped it. Where is it?
It's down in the chair.
Boo. Oh. Oh, I see it. She dropped two down.
What a good sis you have. She says, oh, that one's gone, huh?
I'll put it back in, Sody.
Grandmas are going to love that.
Sody, why don't we put it back in?
You think I'm a tickle, sis? I think hands work better.
So do I. Ooh, way better. Way better than feet. I can't even pick up a ball with my foot. Or two.
What's her new sound?
Sody. She says that's one weird foot or whatever it is. She says it moves all around and it only shows up every once in a while. It's that weird foot game. That has to be uncomfortable. Mama, if I were doing that, I think it was uncomfortable. Wouldn't you?
She's very flexible.
Where's the baby? There she is. Where's the baby? Where's the baby? There she is. Hee hee.
This is eating time, sis.
I don't think she cares
Serious
about
business.
that right now. Serious? For what reason?
She likes meal time.
Yeah. Maybe she does. I don't really care about baby meal time. I care about mine.
From there up.